All right, we're back here at Uncle Al's driving lessons. Again, like I said, make sure it's an empty parking lot. It's only going to be an empty part of the parking lot today because there's people here right now. There are people using it, but he went from being on the other side and just doing left turns and right turns without any like curbs to now going into making a left and right turns into curbs. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna make a left turn right out of this parking space. As you see, he's looking, making sure that nobody's coming. I hope he has his turn signal on. Oh, he does. Look at that. And then he landed right on the side that I needed him to be on. Okay, he's gonna make a left turn out of there. Making his left turn. Good. Good. Okay, this time he didn't. Make another left turn. Okay, that one was kind of sloppy, but we're still learning, right? Stop. Make a right turn, go into the other lane. Right turn, go to the other lane. Go. There we go. Good. Very good. Okay, very good. Right turn's a little bit easier. Good. Made a nice full stop. Whenever you're ready, make the turn. I guess he's waiting for traffic to come. All right, make another right turn. Very good. All right, find a parking space and park. All right, he didn't put his left turn signal, but we'll cut him a break because he's still learning, right? But that's cool. See, this is why we do all these things first in an empty parking lot that has no curbs. So now on the curbs, we gotta practice. We just need to practice. But for right now, he's doing good. And that's what we're gonna keep it. We're gonna keep it right here, right, Gabe?
Sure.
All right. So now this is Uncle Al saying peace out. Enjoy. Have a good day. Come back for more driving lessons. Make sure you subscribe.